Hi everyone, very warm welcome to Look Gorgeous. I have created this look using YBP into Shreya Jain color creams. I have used all the 4 shades to show you guys how to use these and also how not to use these, and also I'm gonna tell you pros and cons as well while I'm gonna do my makeup, so that would gonna be very helpful for you. It is going to be a totally 100% honest review. I've already done my base makeup. I have mixed Goddess in my foundation and it did nothing for my foundation. It did not add any glow to it, to be very honest. And then I'm using Witch as my lip color. I'm doing my lipstick first just because I wanted to do it, because I love Witch color on my lips. It is so amazing on lips, very comfortable and lightweight. And then for very beautiful neutral kind of eyeshadow look, for very everyday kind of look, I'm just applying a little bit of Witch all over my eyelid area, and it simply did not work. It did not work at all on my oily eyelids. After 2 minutes, even after 1 minute, it just got so messy on my eyelids that I don't think I will be able to apply it on my eyelids ever again. I just took a little bit of like 1 to 2 drops and it got so messy. If I will apply it sometime later, I'll take very little of it and I'll apply like a wash of color, and then it will work. Otherwise it will not. Then I'm taking this color Princess. I do not like it as a lip color much. It's okay, it's not that great on lips, but it is amazing on your cheeks. It looks so beautiful on cheeks, and it is gonna look beautiful on all skin tones, for cheeks definitely, and for dusky skin tones it's not gonna look that good on lips. And using my fingers, it was not that good in application, but Beauty Blender definitely helped a lot in applying the blush so beautifully, and the blush effect is wonderful for sure. And the blush lasted on my face for at least 7-8 hours, which is a great thing when I do have very oily skin. And I did not use any makeup fixing spray, but this blush lasted for 7 to 8 hours, which is simply amazing. And this clip that you're seeing currently, I've taken 1 to 2 little bigger drops, and this is what happens. So just be very careful with the quantity of product, because it's extremely pigmented. Except the Goddess shade, do not take more product than required. Goddess, you need little more, but other 3 colors, Mermaid, Princess and Witch, you just need very little of them. And if in case you apply this much of product, then take your Beauty Blender and use it to blend in the product, and it will take off the excess. Also, Princess in little more quantity actually looks so good as a blush. So for blush, I'm going to use Princess, I think, again and again, because it looks very beautiful. Then I've taken Mermaid on the back of my hand, and I'm going to try it as an eyeliner. And now, because my eyeshadow actually did not work, like you can see all the creasing going on my eyelids clearly, then I should not have applied it as an eyeliner, but I just did it. So it's not that bad actually as an eyeliner. I don't know, somehow it worked little bit, because I was having little black gel eyeliner on the brush as well. Now you can clearly see the condition of my eyelids after just 1 or 2 minutes. So this is how it works on eyelids, even when I have powdered my eyelids already. So now I'm just going a little thicker with Mermaid shade, and as an eyeliner it looks beautiful, but I think it's gonna smudge as well. Then to set my cream eyeshadow, because it's all over my eyelids, I'm using this peachish bronzish brownish kind of shade from Matte Look Velvet Matte eyeshadow palette, which is just beautiful color, and it sets the things beautifully. It is very long lasting, but even after setting it with this powder matte eyeshadow, that color cream was so creamy that it simply did not work for my eyelids. Even after setting it with powder, it smudged all over and it just creased so much on eyelids. Then I'm just applying my kajal. This is Swiss Beauty Soft Kajal, and very simple look. And you can see Mermaid also transferred a little bit, but it transferred very little bit, not that much. And then I'm just applying my mascara. I really wanted to apply my false eyelashes, but then I was like, I already have very messy eyeshadow going on, so I should skip it. Then for contouring, I'm just taking a little bit of this contour powder. Actually, contouring is not at all needed with these color creams, because you just get a very beautiful monochromatic kind of look with these color creams. Even if you use one single shade, even if you use 2-3 shades, it just gives a beautiful look all over the face. So you don't need actually contouring, but I just did it. I'm now taking this Goddess highlighter. I don't think I'm going to use it again and again much, because I'm not that much a fan of liquid highlighters, but it gives a very natural kind of dewy look, which I think many of you are gonna love for sure. It don't work that well with fingers, but it works beautiful with brushes. So I recommend using brushes with this Goddess highlighter. It does not have much shimmers, very less shimmers, but it has a beautiful glow to it. So if you're looking for a glow, then you might buy this product, and this will work for you. Then I have already done a full review, swatches and all the things on these products, so you can see all the videos. I'll leave them in the description box, also in the pinned comments, so you can simply check them out. And I'm just applying a little bit of highlighter on my cheekbones, and you can see it just gives a very beautiful natural glow kind of look. So if you're looking for some very nice natural kind of highlighter and some beautiful cruelty free made in India products, then these products are cute and nice. For cheek color, they're amazing. For lipstick, they have the best formula one can ever try, but it gets messy because you don't have a brush to apply your lipstick on. There are some cons definitely associated with it, but there are some pros as well, and pros and cons proper detailed you will see in the description box, so please read that out. So I hope that will be helpful for you. And I am just now trying to apply this highlighter with my fingers, but I'm not getting that proper application, so I have to use the brush. But highlighter stayed on my face for 8 hours, so that's a great thing. Lipstick stayed on my lips for 3-4 hours, which is a normal decent thing with my lips. And as eyeshadow, just apply very little bit and not much, and then it might stay on your eyelids. For my oily skin, these products stay on face and lips for a good amount of time, but on eyelids they don't stay. And to make it stay on eyelids, just apply very little bit. So that's the completed look and the completed video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if in case you do so, then please give this video big thumbs ups. Also subscribe to my channel, comment down below what video you want to see next and what color you like the most. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, look gorgeous.